from Team 29 forecast.
Well, the week of warming temperatures, our January thaw this week. The numbers peaked out today at their highest levels at the airport, touching 80, breaking the old record set back in 1967. The last occurrence of 80 degrees was back on the 30th of October, but numbers like this, some 33 degrees above average, peaked out today. We won't have a repeat over the weekend, but you can see some of the numbers across the Commonwealth and beyond, more like May. Also 80 at Reagan National. That's one of the hottest temperatures ever for the month of January, with records that go back to the 1800s. 72 currently at the airport. Winds are calm. The atmosphere is a little drier than 24 hours ago, but more rain is ahead. 59 currently at the Valley Airport in Weeders Cave, touching 73 for a pleasant afternoon high today. Currently 65 there in Louisa, 66 in Palmyra. We've got 68 in Dillon, 66 in Madison, and 64 currently in Waynesboro. Well, you may see it here on the eastern sky within the next 15 minutes or so. The rising wolf moon of January. This was Warren Fault's shot this morning as it was beginning to set in the west. But again, a beautiful shot there, and should be nice viewing here tonight. Let's take a look at our overnight lows. We will settle into the 40s. We'll have variably cloudy skies. May see a little bit of limited sunshine to start early Saturday morning. Saturday morning is dry. Temperatures tomorrow, no 70s or near 80 degrees, but still above average of our daytime high of 47 tomorrow. But as we move into the afternoon, that's when we expect the rain to redevelop and move across the region. This go around will be more widespread and more appreciable rain. Some of the heaviest rain could be Saturday night into very early on Sunday, but Sunday showers will linger. It'll be a chillier day, upper 40s and low 50s. And right now, combined rainfall amounts, many of us will approach, if not exceed, an inch. There's the American GFS model. Here's the European model. And with the saturated ground from recent snow melt along with recent rain, there could be some isolated pockets of flooding to be mindful of. But things are quiet now. We had a front that came through earlier in the day. It's just off to our east. The wind shifted out of the west, and with plentiful sunshine and that downsloping wind off the mountains, temperatures certainly warmed significantly. Well, we have a front now that's off to our south, and a new storm is taking shape here across Oklahoma and Texas, and this will continue to work up toward the Mississippi River and out toward the Carolinas, and that brings us our rain in here later tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night, and into Sunday. You can see the warmth preceding it, a little cooler off to the west, but there's no Arctic air. Here we go with, again, tomorrow morning. We'll start in the 40s, some limited sun to start the day, dry during the morning hours, 3, 4, 5 o'clock. Here comes the rain. Some of the rain could be heavy as we get into late tomorrow night, early Sunday morning, and then we'll be left with some cloudy skies, fog, showery conditions, chillier numbers here on Sunday. The mountains later Sunday night could change over to some snow before those showers depart. Temperatures here tonight in the 40s, variably cloudy and dry. Here we go with tomorrow, the rain redeveloping during the afternoon and nighttime. That brings us into Sunday. Temperatures continuing to back down, but returning to more January-like numbers. Much of next week, the temperatures again are a little more settled, upper 40s and low 50s. But I hope you enjoyed spring fever today. 53 days until the official arrival of spring.
Felt good to thaw out a little bit, didn't it? Eric, thank you.